We are lovers through and through, and though we made it through the storm, I really want you to realize I really want to put you on. I've been searching for someone to satisfy my every need. Won't you be my inspiration? Be the real love that I need. Real love. I'm searching for the real love. Someone to set my heart free. Real love. I'm searching for.
So hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with another pink synthetic wig. Okay, I have reviewed a couple of pink synthetic wigs in the past. This one is a more curly, wavy one, and I really do like it. Okay, I do like it. So a company by the name of WIG on Amazon reached out to me and asked me to review this wig. So make sure you guys check the description box for all the details concerning this wig. But I really do like it. Okay, I really do like it. So if you are interested in hearing a little bit more about this wig and also how I feel about this wig, then keep watching. So as you guys saw in the previous clip, I did show you the construction of this wig. This wig is a pull-on, pull-off wig. It has two combs that's in the front. It has an adjustable strap, and then it had the little lace right here because it is a middle part. As you guys can see, I did move it to the side because I've just realized with most of these synthetic wigs that's middle part, I just probably more so like them to the side. So this is what I'm going to be doing when it comes to most of these synthetic wigs. Now again, this wig is from the WIG store on Amazon. This is their pink 24-inch long wavy synthetic wig. Of course, you can use this wig for Halloween or cosplay. Doesn't matter. They have a couple of other colors as well. A whole bunch: blonde, black, burgundy, orange, purple, all of that. It retails for $29.99, so very affordable, under, you know, under $30. Okay, so I really like this wig. Is cute. The curl slash wave pattern is super pretty. Like, I know y'all see this, like it is super pretty. I brushed it out a little bit and it was easy to brush through. It's easy to, well, a little bit. It's not tangled up too much, but I mean, it's easy to brush through and my fingers are able to glide through for the most part. Also, it is soft. This wig is definitely soft. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the all around. So this is how it looks in the front. Again, it is 28 inches. This is how it looks on the side. This is how it looks in the back. And this is how it looks on the other side. It is more so the wave pattern for me. Like, it's just, like, do y'all see that? That is, like, it is super pretty. Oh my gosh. So I do want to thank WIG for reaching out to me, asking me to review this wig. I really do hope to work with them again in the future. Even if they send me another wig like this but a different color, because I am loving this. Okay, it is super duper pretty. This wave pattern is gorgeous for a synthetic wig. Like, yes. So you guys let me know down below in the comments what you think about this wig as far as the length, color, all that good stuff. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and of course share this video with your family and friends. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one.